The Tecno POVA 7 Pro 5G is a mid-range smartphone that focuses on gaming performance and a distinctive design. It was released in July 2025 and runs on Android 15 with Tecno's His 15 skin. Here are the breakdown of its pros, cons, special features, and overall conclusion. For pros, impressive display. The 1.5K AMOLED screen with a 144 Hz refresh rate offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a smooth user experience. The high peak brightness is also a plus for outdoor visibility. Strong performance. The MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate chipset provides reliable performance for daily tasks and gaming, with good thermal control. Long-lasting battery and fast charging. The large 6,000 mAh battery can easily last a full day of heavy use, and the combination of 45W wired and 30W wireless charging provides great flexibility. The inclusion of bypass charging is a significant advantage for gamers. Unique design. The Delta Light interface is a visually distinctive feature that sets the phone apart from its competitors. Good camera for the price. The 64MP main camera captures decent photos in good lighting and has competent low-light performance. The ability to shoot 4K video is a notable feature in this price range. For cons, software and AI-centric. While the HiOS 15 with AI features can be helpful, some users may find the software to be too AI-packed. Additionally, software support is limited, with only one major OS upgrade expected. No expandable storage. The lack of a microSD card slot is a drawback for users who require more storage than the available configurations. Underwhelming speaker volume. Despite having dual stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos, the volume can be underwhelming, especially for a phone aimed at gamers. Camera color reproduction. The camera's color reproduction, while appealing, isn't always the most natural or accurate. No headphone jack. The phone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. For special features, Delta Light interface. A signature design element with a mini LED strip on the back that can be customized to act as a notification light for calls, charging, and gaming. Bypass charging. A feature for gamers that allows power to be supplied directly to the device, bypassing the battery to reduce heat buildup and prolong battery health during extended gaming sessions. Comprehensive AI suite. The phone comes with Tecno AI features, including an AI assistant, Ask Ella, an AI writing tool, and an AI Eraser 2.0 for photos. For overall conclusion, the Tecno POVA 7 Pro 5G is a compelling choice in the mid-range market, particularly for users who prioritize gaming and a distinctive design. It offers an excellent display, solid performance, and a massive battery with versatile charging options, including the gamer-friendly bypass charging. The unique Delta Light interface and a capable camera system further enhance its appeal. However, the phone is not without its drawbacks. The lack of a dedicated microSD card slot, limited software support, and a less-than-ideal speaker volume are points to consider. Despite these minor issues, the POVA 7 Pro 5G provides a strong value proposition, especially for its price point. It successfully blends gaming-centric features with a unique aesthetic, making it a standout device for its target audience.